To connect your DVM 2130 for use by the PCS Field Data Collector app, first, launch the PCS FDC app. When the PCS Field Data Collector app opens, press the gear button on the left-hand side to open the settings screen. On the settings screen, press the Connections button. On the Connections screen, press the DVM button. Your DVM 2130 should populate in the list of available Bluetooth devices. If not previously connected, press the Connect button next to your device. You may want to verify the DVM connection to your FDC app. To do so, press the DVM button on the home screen. A voltage measurement displayed on the screen indicates successful connection of the DVM to your app.